recording. Alright, this is my water. This is my lemon juice. I'm going to fill both of these and then put them in a cup together so it's easier to drink.
And that lemon juice is expired.
No, it's not.
I thought you said July 13th.
July 13/13.
Oh, you're good.
Got about 2 years for this one. Alright.
Oh, God. I hope you
They're
throw
full.
up. I hope you throw up. I love watching people throw up, for the record. For the record.
Alright, so my 2 things of lemon juice are going in this cup. Tilt it down a little. Okay, you can see it. It's in there. It's in the bottom. Wait, this is equal to a Dixie cup. So,
You totally... There.
just to be clear, Dixie cup size.
Oh,
Now in here.
yes. Is this empty?
I don't know. We don't need that anymore. Okay, ready? We should probably open the timer first.
Is it a timed?
Yeah, 15 seconds.
I hope you puke. That's all I have to say. I hope you puke.
Okay. Ready?
Wait, no. Okay.
Let me take one drink of water first. Okay. Ready? Set. Go. Four seconds. That one wasn't hard.
That's disgusting.
That one's a myth. Okay, bye.
Urban legends.